Good morning everybody, Tracy from Uniquely Creative showing you what is in our September Peace and Joy Creative Card Kit. Lots of cute goodies here. We have got the Uniquely Creative Gold Rhinestones, these are super cute. The Peace and Joy Collectibles by Kaisercraft. 10 pack of card and envelopes by Kaisercraft. Some beautiful red satin ribbon that's got like a gold fleck through it, so a beautiful ribbon. The Peace and Joy 6.5 inch paper pad, which is full of beautiful traditional Christmas designs, and this guy here which opens up with 6 actual size images of cards that you can make with this kit. They've done by Tanya Ridgewell, and if I show you one of the cards here, you can see it's the exact same size. So if you're measuring from here to here on this card, that's the exact measurement on here to here. So you just got to get your ruler out and away you go. Let's take a quick look at some of the beautiful designs Tanya's done. Gorgeous little traditional Christmas one. So really pretty, Peace and Joy. 6 cards to get you started, but you are going to get many more cards out of this kit than 6. These are available on our website now for order. They are shipping on Wednesday. They're $25, well more than $25 worth of product you're getting in this kit. So jump over to our website, www.uniquelycreative.com.au. Thanks for watching guys, bye!